We have new details tonight on the cutting of COVID restrictions in St. Louis City and County. The biggest change, restaurants will be able to open with 100% capacity, but there are still limitations. News 4's Alexis Sotos is live in the Del Mar Loop tonight with all the details on what's changing. Alexis, you've gotten a preview of what's in store.
That's right, Lauren. We got our hands tonight on St. Louis County's Reopen STL public health order. It goes into effect at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and the city of St. Louis is expected to mirror this. That is good news for businesses and customers who might be a little confused by what exactly are the current guidelines. Mission Taco right here in the Loop. Currently, we're standing in St. Louis City, but if you just go less than a block that way, you're in St. Louis County.
Del Mar Loop is a prime example of the confusing restrictions over the last year. It straddles the city and county line.
We're in 4 different municipalities across the state, and it is definitely difficult. There's a lot of little minutia details here and there on what you can and can't do.
Mission Taco Joint has locations in St. Louis City and County, as well as St. Charles County and Kansas City, all of which have different restrictions. But that will soon get easier as the city and county align their health orders.
I was on the county advisory board, and they've been trying to protect the general public. I'm trying to protect my staff at this point, so I'm looking at it in different eyes on what is the best thing for our staff, both for their health and for their financial well-being. And it's really, it's a really fine line on what we need to do.
Here's the biggest change. Capacity limitations will increase from 50% to 100%, but social distancing must still be followed.
100% is a little misleading. I mean, there still is 6-foot table rules. I mean, it'll probably get us to, 75, 80%.
But while some restaurants want to open fully, others don't.
It's way too soon, I think, but I understand people wanting to. They don't want to lose their livelihoods and everything. It's a desperate situation.
The owner of Yaki's on Cherokee Street says they plan to keep their dining room closed, worried about the case numbers, especially amongst young people. News 4 has questioned the area health departments for weeks on what metrics they're using to make decisions. Right now, the positivity rate in St. Louis County is 5.5%. In the city, it's 7%. They've previously said that number needed to be below 5%.
I understand their rush to do this. Everybody wants it to go away, but it's not gone away. It's still here. I mean, the numbers are increasing in young people. So who are all the people that are going to be in places like this? Mostly young people, and it'll be spread amongst them.
So the other big change that comes out of this public health order is some changes to masking. St. Louis City and St. Louis County are going to start following the CDC's new updated mask mandate guidelines. So masks will still be required to go inside businesses like restaurants, gyms, schools, but you won't need to wear a mask if you are outside and able to socially distance. The city and the county are giving a joint press conference tomorrow morning. Count on News 4 to be asking questions and bringing you more details. You can read this order right now on the KMOV News app. Alexis Sotos, News 4.